Hello everyone, welcome back to Be My Own Boss Academy. This is Treasure and I am the coach and the boss at Be My Own Boss Academy, where we teach you to become a boss of your own self. If you are watching this video for the first time, I want to welcome you to the family of the bosses. Of course, we want to encourage you to subscribe, hit the subscription button, share this video so that many more people can benefit from videos like this. Of course, you'll be notified when you click the notification bell so that once we drop new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Without wasting time, I'm going to show you in this video how to create a Bybit account and verify it so that you can use it to receive and send cryptos to other accounts. If you're ready, I am ready. Let's go right into today's video. So in order for you to create a Bybit account, what you want to do is to check the description of this particular video. You will see a link to your Google Play Store or the App Store. If you don't want to use this link, you can also go to your App Store directly and then search for Bybit, BYBIT. Once you search for this, click on search. It will open it. We're going to do this from beginning together. Of course, you will see the logo of the Bybit. Make sure it is the right one you are downloading. So click on install. Once you click on install, it will install into your phone. So once this is done, the next step is that you want to enter your basic details. Immediately you enter your basic details, it will be easy for you to now do your verification. So let's just hold on for a few minutes. Once this is, completed, we'll come back to this video. So guys, our app, we have successfully downloaded our Bybit account. So what you want to do is to now click on sign up. If you already have an account at this point, you click on log in. So we are going to click on sign up. What you want to do, you have different options. The first is to use your email. So you can enter your email and then enter the password, all right? So if you're not going to use any of this, what you want to do is to now come to your mobile number. Under your mobile number, you can search for your country code and then easily you can see different countries where you can sign up on Bybit. All right, so any of this country that you belong to, you can just choose and then you will be good to go. All right, so I'm going to cancel it because automatically it has given me my country code and it's asking me to enter my password. However, because I prefer to use my email, in case I lose my phone number for any reason, I will go with the email. Of course, another thing I want you to note while you are registering as a new person is to click on this option, which they say it is optional. At this point, ask you to enter your referral code. So check the link of this video or see it scrolling on the screen of this video. You see the referral code. Enter it into this place and then we are good to go. So because I'm also opening this account with this, I'm going to quickly enter my email, password, and then we'll continue from here. So if I enter my email, I'll enter my password. Ensure that any password you want to use, you have a longer password with at least one lower case letter and an uppercase letter and one number. Make sure it is something that you will not forget. And as I usually tell my students, ensure to have a small book that you will always keep details like this, so that if for any reason you forget, you can open that book where you have saved it properly and you can enter it. I think this is enough. So let's quickly enter our email and the password, then we'll continue from here. Now that we have successfully entered our email, we want to click on sign up. Once you sign up, it will bring you to the next page, and it is telling you to complete this kind of puzzle. This may not be your type of puzzle, but in my own case, this is a puzzle. So I'm going to fill it. You can see it's asking me to try again. So gently push it into the box, and then you will see the verification process is confirmed. Now they are telling me that an activation email has been sent to my email account that I already entered, all right? And it is giving me a countdown. So what I want to do is to go to my email and then quickly click on activate account button inside my email, all right? So I'll quickly go to my email and then search for that particular message. I want to ensure that that message comes in just at the right time, all right? So you can see the verification email has been sent to me. So I'm opening it right away. And like I said, we are going to do this together from the beginning to the end. So I'm opening it and I want to click on verify email, all right? So you can see it is saying verify email to complete your sign up. So I'm clicking on the activate account. Okay, so once you are able to successfully sign up like I showed you, you will get an email that will now tell you what to do next. And the email that you're going to, the first email you will get is that you are going to click on this activate button here. All right, once you click on the activate button and it is successful, you will get another notification informing you that your email is successfully verified. All right, so you see it will tell you, it say congratulations, your email has been successfully verified. Sorry, it will log you in. If you have entered the correct login details, it will log you in automatically. Of course, because you are a new person, it's telling you, it's telling you to enter, the puzzle once again. All right, because I didn't enter it well, I need to try again. So I'm going to put this gently into the box. So once you click on your email and they send an email to you, the next page you should be seeing is this, saying welcome to Bybit. For you to begin using these services, they want you to verify your identity. So it's either you upload your photo of your government ID or upload a selfie, all right? So the first thing we'll do is to try and verify with a government ID. So at this point, if you have any of your ID card that you normally use for verification, you can click on verify now. So, okay, so basically I have just entered my details. Hello, hi. So at this point, it's telling me to position my face to look straight into the camera. So I'm going to look straight into this camera. Okay, so you can see it has scanned my face and it is telling me that it has scanned my face and the details I've provided, they are all under review. Of course, you can see it is saying that it is verified. Now you can see it has changed from non-verified to standard verification. All right, so at this point now, if I want to upgrade this account, it is now telling me to complete my identity verification. I can now submit a proof of my address issued within the last 3 months that clearly shows my name and my address. All right, so I'll do that later. For the purpose of this video, I don't want it to be too long. If you need to enter other details, it is at this point you can come to where you have this and then you can click on some of this. If you want to change your profile image, you can either enter any default avatars here, all right, or you can buy a profile picture from NFT markets, or you can use any avatar. In my case, I always prefer to use my picture so that I don't have challenges with this account in the future. So I'm going to leave this blank, and I'll of course update it later, right? Now it is telling me that identity verification is not yet verified, right? So the reason why it is saying it is that it is still under review. Now, for me to do that, I have already shown you what you should do for you to be able to do that. If you do all these things, you will not have challenge with your Bybit account, and you can use it to any extent you want. Now, for security purposes, it's asking me to set up a two-factor verification, which I love to usually do. Of course, at this point, you can also set up your mobile details. All these kind of things will help your account to be protected to so I'm going to quickly do this. You can see saying security level low. So what I'm going to quickly do is to enter some of these details, and we'll be back to conclude on this video, right? Okay, so let's just move this gently into this, and then this verification part is completed. So what I want to do is that they are saying that they sent a verification code to me. I will check my inbox and enter it, and I'll be back. We have successfully logged into our account. Now that you have learned how to create your own Bybit account, the next step is how do you deposit and how do you withdraw your funds or your crypto assets from Bybit. If you have watched to this particular point in this video, I want to encourage you to click on the link in the description, or I will just add it as an additional link. Go and watch how you can deposit and create or buy and sell your cryptos on Bybit accounts.